Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play a crossword puzzle in a newspaper. First, familiarize yourself with the grid, which is a pattern of white and black squares. Each white square will hold one letter. You'll find two lists of clues, one for words going across and another for words going down. Each clue has a number corresponding to a starting square on the grid. Your goal is to fill in the white squares with letters to form words that match the clues. To start solving, tackle the clues you find easiest first. These are often shorter words or common phrases that come to mind quickly. Many puzzles provide the number of letters in the answer, which is a helpful hint. For example, a clue might specify a 5-letter word. Also, pay close attention to the wording of the clues. They can be direct definitions, clever wordplay, or even anagrams. Don't be afraid to jump around the puzzle. For more challenging puzzles, a few techniques can greatly assist you. Always use a pencil and a good eraser. This allows you to easily correct any errors without damaging the newspaper. If you get stuck, a dictionary or thesaurus can be a valuable tool for finding synonyms or exploring word meanings. Remember that words intersect, so filling in one word can provide crucial letters for several other clues, helping you unlock more of the puzzle. Playing crossword puzzles regularly offers many benefits, including enhancing your vocabulary and expanding your general knowledge. It's perfectly fine to leave a difficult clue and come back to it later. Sometimes a fresh perspective helps. Don't get discouraged if you can't solve every clue right away. Enjoy the process of discovery and celebrate each word you successfully place. With consistent practice, you will notice significant improvement in your solving skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.